Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, I thought I'd show you a little bit of my projects. How many guys are you? How many guys out there are just like me? Just can't get enough of projects. Well, latest project, dinner. Got a hot tub here that is a project. But here's my motorcycles. It's a 1984 Suzuki RM 125 Technocell Special Edition 125. I also have KE 100 1986, runs good. By the way, motor for that's in the house. So I have a 98 CR 125, runs real good. Picked this up as a project for 400 bucks. Have a 1983 RM 250, another project that was in pieces and didn't cost me very much. Runs good. It's my 1996 CR 250. Just had a malfunction with it. Gonna have to get a new case, but runs real good. Got a lot of goodies on it. It's our boot collection. This was my attempt at buying something cheap. It's one of those Chinese four-wheel drives. I'll never do that again. Another project, my pond. Gazebo, which the hot tub will go into. A whole bunch of fish in that pond too. It's a project I did about 10 years ago. It's my shed, workshop. Turned that shed into a room for my son. This is the only thing I bought that is not a project. It's a 2004 TRX 450. Runs like a bat out of hell. Couple projects I just picked up. 92 RM 125. Motors in the house. Then this is a 1991 RM 125. I had the motor actually at Suzuki. They're putting it together just to make sure it runs good. Sometimes I get tired of projects. Might get tired of them, but I will keep buying projects.